these are the tools I can say are much better and much powerful, and why every developer, every coding channel you visit on YouTube discuss around these tools. These are the very few things, and there are much more things that you need to know. The recent tools have got very good update skills. MCP servers, will AI replace developers? So this is the question that is there from last 2-3 years, and the answer in this vlog I would like to talk about how to code going forward. So this is not a basic blog where we discuss about the tutorials or a new tool that came to the market, but here the strategy we need to follow going forward if you want to stay as a developer. Yes, and who should watch this vlog? If you are serious about your career and if you are not sure what exactly happening in real world market, and if you are a beginner starting to look out for job opportunities, and you are already an existing developer, like a senior developer who is having a very good experience in building the softwares. So this video is for everyone, and I suggest you to stay till the end of this video, and I would like to provide some insights of what exactly is happening now. So whenever you start this journey of software development, right, you might have come across various programming languages like Python, Java, C++, Kotlin, Go, Swift, JavaScript, TypeScript, Dart, and Rust. So here I have just outlined few programming languages, but there are more which I have not listed over here. So you generally take up a language, you do some practice around it, you get a good understanding of how to write a code, and you try building the softwares, and thereby you attend interviews and try to fetch a job in a company. So this is how the things were working till 2022. There came the revolution of AI and the things got changed. Let's try to discuss. This is a basic thing. As a developer, you try to do a Google search, or you find the answers in Stack Overflow, or even you can raise a questions in Stack Overflow, and this is how you code. For the new beginners who are coming to the market right now, this is the way the software development was happening earlier. And also here we need to add few more things like YouTube tutorials or blogs, but I think in Google you can combine all these aspects. This is how the major developers used to build the softwares. But now, right from 2022, the thing has changed a bit. Now there are few players like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, and so on. So I have just named a few of them again, but here you might be well aware that ChatGPT was the first predominant player that came into the market and introduced AI to the general public. So earlier slide we have seen how a developer used to do research and try to find the tutorials and thereby do the coding. But this particular flow of AI, right, you try to ask a question and you will receive the answer, and that particular answer you will be utilizing as code in your software. But here it's not such an easy task here, so you cannot ask anything like that. There is a concept called prompt engineering, so you need to provide a specific prompt to the AI model, and that is the question what I can say. So you need to provide a specific prompt, and that prompt should have everything such that the AI model can understand your question exactly and it will try to answer here. So there are challenges here. The way you ask the question is the first challenge, and the way the AI understood the question is the second challenge, and the answer you got is the third challenge. So you need to verify whether the answer is appropriate or not. And again, in the entire world there is no such AI model or a company that will guarantee that the answer will be right every time. So everyone will add a tagline that you need to verify whether the answer is correct or not. So this is how these chatbots which I have shown you work. Even for an year or two, developers utilized this way of working with AI, but now it went into the major development, and now the new players came into the market, and I should not say new players, but they are the wrappers of the existing AI chatbots which we used earlier, and those are Cursor, GitHub Copilot, Windsurf, Claude Code, Gemini CLI, and much more, and even Codex from ChatGPT as well. So these are the tools I can say are much better and much powerful than your earlier chatbots. Then you can ask me a question. So what was used in chatbot? Those models are even used here in these particular tools. But what is the difference? Where the difference came? Why the chatbots are not that efficient when compared to these tools? And why every developer, every coding channel you visit on YouTube discuss around these tools, and why not those chatbots anymore? Because these tools are super powerful when you compare with chatbot. I said you write the prompt engineering, you need to specify a proper prompt, and you need to take care of all the things till you get the answer when you are using a chatbot. But when you come to these tools, right, they will handle critical things for you. So first thing is context management. They will take care of the context. They will read through the code base which you are having. Earlier chatbots don't read your code base. You need to specify a task and it will try to answer for this. But here these tools will read your entire code base. So let me try to go step by step here. So you will be giving the task here, and the task also being attached with your code base. So the tool will read the files, and even it can read your entire project. So this was not possible with the chatbots earlier, and it will try to write the code and it will try to run the command. And again you might get a question, what is run command? So once you write the code right, you need to manually run the project and check whether it works or not, and sometimes it will crash even. So these tools will try to read the crash messages as well and try to fix them in the next iterations, and here it will create the changes and make the things ready for you. So this particular tool has got an additional benefit of running your project and verifying whether it works or not. They will create test cases for you, test scenarios, and also it will try to outline the entire architecture even for you. But these are the very few things, and there are much more things that you need to know. So you might be surprised, this is a lot of things, right? And you're saying much more are there. Yes, the recent tools have got very good update and it can go beyond these things. For example, if you consider Claude Code, right, it has got an option to provide skills, it has got an option like MCP servers and much more. Just let me know in the comment section below if you are interested. I will be doing a dedicated video around that particular topic, because this is just a general overview which I want to give you. Most of the people might be having confusion. They are thinking like using AI in coding is like using a chatbot and getting the code out of it. That is no more encouraged here, because even if you are attending an interviews nowadays, the major questions that are coming for you, right, are you able to use AI and make the task much faster? Using AI is no more an option, but it is a requirement now. And saying so, let's go forward here. Will AI replace developers? So this is the question that is there from last 2-3 years, and the answer is again no. And how I can say no? Because AI will never replace any employee, but an employee who knows how to use AI, right, definitely they will replace the developers who don't know. And this is not a future, this is the present that is being happening, and even your existing projects are utilizing the AI. So if you observe, not only you, your colleagues everywhere around your company are running behind these particular AI. And also you can see recently Anthropic has launched a certification, and this is the first certification related to the AI, I can say. And cracking that certificate is not that easy, it's very super hard. And once you have got a very good knowledge and practical usage of the Claude Code, then you will be able to crack the. Most of the companies are even asking for that particular certification. So here the major changes you will be able to observe are the coding speed. So earlier the time you took for a particular task for 1 or 2 months, right, can be completed within a sprint or two. And the learning changes, this is a very important aspect as a developer. Whenever you try writing a code and when you ask the AI to optimize the code or to identify the issues in this particular code, right, then it will try to guide you through step-by-step process, and it will try to provide you the information that you were not aware of. And in this way you can improve your knowledge and even the way you think how to write a code. And the next one is junior developer challenges. Yes, the junior developers or the freshers who are coming to this particular software field, they need to know how to make use of AI, and they need to adopt AI in their coding practices. And this is not a very big challenge, and this will not be a new thing for them because they have just started their journey and this will be a part of their journey. And future opportunities. So for the people who are currently working or senior devs, this might not be a challenge, but they need to improve their knowledge regarding the AI and they will turn to be the architects going forward. Yes. So they won't be sitting directly and coding the things. They will be trying to guide the AI like how to do the task, and they need to verify and they need to also provide proper prompts to the AI to do the work successfully. Now we have reached the end of the video and I just want your opinions on this particular video and also your AI journey. Just let me know in the comment section below, and in the next video I'll try to show you what are these tools and why they become so powerful when compared to the chatbots. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.